What we're going to do here today is we're going to find the composition of these two functions. As you notice, we have g of x is equal to x squared plus 4, and we have h of x, which is x minus 2. So let's go ahead and find the first composition. We have g of h of x. That means we're going to input the function h of x, which is x minus 2, into g. And you notice we have g, and the input is x minus 2. So we have to look at g and notice, how do we input x minus 2? Well, you're going to have x is going to be x minus 2. X is going to be to the second power, so therefore we have x minus 2 to the second power, since x minus 2 is the input, plus 4. What you're going to have to do is you're going to have to multiply x minus 2 times x minus 2 and then add 4. What you have to use is you have to use the FOIL method, x times x, which is x squared, x times negative 2, which is negative 2x, negative 2 times x, which is negative 2x, and then we have negative 2 times negative 2, which is positive 4, and then we're also adding 4. What you have to do next is you're going to have to combine like terms. So you have x squared, we have x squared, and then we have negative 2x minus 2x, which gives us negative 4x, and then we have 4 plus 4, which is plus 8. So that satisfies g of h of x. Now we have to find h of g of x. So now our input will be g of x. So we have h, and our input is g of x, which is x squared plus 4. So now wherever we see the value x in h, we're going to substitute x squared plus 4. So we have x minus 2. So we have x squared plus 4 minus 2, which we're left with x squared minus 2, since 4 minus 2 is 2.